What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Do not mind this pimple that I just popped like 5 minutes ago. It's so ugly, bro. Anyways, today we got a lot of stuff to do. If you guys did not watch the last video, we're actually dropping new merch on Sunday. This Sunday, February 6th. Make sure you guys mark your calendars because I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell out. I did not order enough, so it's very, very limited. If you guys didn't watch the last video, let me show you guys real quick. This is probably my favorite design that we've done so far. We have all of my cars on it. E36, E46, E92, GTR. They're all red at one point. If only we had all those cars at one time. Wouldn't that be sick? Now we only have the GTR and the E46. And we also got the new edition, the 350Z, as you guys know. But anyways, I picked up all the merch the other night, so I have to sort all of that today. I'm gonna just show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of a merch drop. I had to put it in my garage, sort it out, count all the inventory, and then put it up in there in all my little merch boxes. This is actually where I ship all the merch out for you guys. In my garage. It's pretty crazy. All the merch comes from my garage, from my hands, because I ship everything out myself, and then the merch goes straight to you guys, which is freaking crazy. Right now, it's absolutely a mess, bro. All of these are a mess. The orders, all these were full at one point. So shout out to everyone who did cop merch. I appreciate it so freaking much. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate it when you guys cop something from the website. It means so much to me, and it honestly helps out a lot, especially with like the builds and stuff, to make more content for you guys. Thank you so freaking much. I never would have thought when I first started vlogging or picking up a camera trying to vlog, I never would have thought it would have got to this point. I'm still very little compared to other people like DJ Hunt, Adam LZ, all these big YouTuber creators. But like I said, I never thought I would even be at this point. So I'm super freaking grateful. I'm super blessed. And I'm excited, bro. I'm trying to get back on the grind. If you guys have noticed, I've been posting every single day. Last week, I went on a 9-day streak. That is the best streak I've ever done in my entire life. I've never posted that many vlogs in my life, bro. Trying to freaking be way more consistent for you guys, trying to grow. And I want to hit that 200K, bro. We already hit 100K. Next is 200K. So we're almost there. So if you guys are not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button right now. I appreciate it so freaking much. And smash the like button. I appreciate that too. We got a little bit of stuff left. I think we have a couple of these from like a couple drops ago. Plate frames. We also got a ton of these face masks. I know a lot of people like barely use masks anymore at this point. I know a lot of people don't even care about wearing masks, but I have tons of these masks. I think I'm gonna put them on sale for like $2, bro. I'm gonna put them on super freaking cheap for you guys because I just need to get rid of them. I have so many in this bag. Stickers. Then we have GTR stickers. Anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna pull the GTR out, sort out all the merch, clean the garage a little bit. It may look like a lot of merch, guys, but it's honestly not that much. I'm not gonna lie. If it does sell out, maybe we'll add a little bit more and I'll try to get more printed for you guys. But as of right now, it's super freaking limited. We are done. Told you guys, it looks like a lot, but honestly it's not much. These are the only ones I have. Just made it over here to Orange County. Today is a super freaking exciting day. We're picking up some new wheels for the 350Z. New seats, new wheels. We're doing this freaking build fast, bro. Building a 350Z in 1 month. I'm freaking excited. We just made it here to Conce Wheels. Conce Wheels was a huge sponsor in the E46, and now we're about to throw some Conce Wheels on the 350Z. It's gonna look sick. Jordan drank a Monster and then went to sleep. Baby. He's weird, huh? Who goes to sleep after they drink a Monster? Damn, this is a badass Raptor, bro. She got like a little roll cage in it. Guys, I really want a Raptor. I've always wanted a Raptor. You guys know I want a Jeep Gladiator or a Raptor. Those are like the two that I want. Yeah, this thing is perfect, bro. There's so many wheels in here. Look at this, guys. All the Conce wheels. Oh, it's gonna be sick, bro. Those are the style we're going. I'll show you guys when we get to the house if I open them up. Or maybe we'll open them up right now. Huge shout out to Conce. Now we got like 3 sets of Conce wheels. Bro, I'm upside down, homie. They're light as hell. They're light? Bro, I picked it up and I thought it was gonna be like a fucking heavy ass wheel. They don't weigh anything, look at this bro. Shit. You know me. I'm getting a little workout. They're super light. It's like they're empty boxes. A little curls right here. Yeah, bro, the wheels are pretty freaking light. I want to open them up just so we can look. Should we? You have a knife? Oh, shoot. It's like Christmas again. Oh my god. Those are hard. They're actually the same style we just threw on the E46, the new ones. Oh shit, but they're green. But yeah, now they have a gray face with a polished lip. It's like a dark gray. Damn, these look freaking sick, bro. But they're gonna look hard in that color. Yeah, that's gonna look crazy. And also, we also got them all 10.5 wide. So I don't know how the front are gonna fit, Jordan. Oh boy. The fronts are gonna be a little too wide, but We'll figure it out. We'll make it work.
That light?
This is crazy, huh? They look so nice, dude. Oh my god, this car's gonna look crazy with new wheels and new wrap. But like I said, we're gonna have to try to make the 10.5 fit up front. I don't know how.
We're gonna make it fit, maybe.
Maybe we have to go wide body, but we'll see.
Ain't going.
And
damn, there's a lot of wheels, huh? There's a lot of different styles. Dude, that style, that is nice.
That's a 2-piece forged wheel.
Yeah, that is super.
We make that here. Anything
Those
here
are
you
clean
see
too.
with the crazy colors, we built those here.
Yeah, those look awesome, like the custom colorways.
They're wild. Prototype to see what it would look like.
Yeah.
We took it to SEMA, and everybody loved it.
I love it.
So we just made a flow form version of it.
That's crazy. Look, guys, this is all behind the scenes of the wheels being made. This is how a wheel is made.
This is how the forged wheels are made. This is like a 2-piece center. Before there's any design or anything cut into it.
That's insane.
It just got laid, front and back. Those are going like the front side.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's literally how a wheel is made, guys. It starts from that. This is the behind the scenes in the warehouse.
Here's like a different profile.
Okay.
It's not a concave wheel, but
Yeah. Wow, bro. Look at this. Damn, that's crazy. That's literally how the wheel's made, guys. Oh my god.
Got 119 minutes to go.
119 minutes?
Yeah. You can literally wake up in the morning, think of a wheel, and have them on your car that night.
That's so crazy.
Done.
Yeah, that's cool to see, like the behind the scenes of it.
Oh yeah, man. Not a lot of people get to see it.
Not a lot of people get to see that.
Not a lot of people get to see it.
Hooking us up, keeping them merched up, you know what I mean?
I know, dude. Look at Conce, bro. Hooking it up. We got Conce shirts, cool little designs. What is this? More Conce shirts. Oh my god, we got hella merch. We got hella hats. We got hella wheels. We also got
What is this?
an extra wheel for the E46 because
No, we need to talk about
you guys are getting hints. Look, we got an extra wheel. Why? Why would we need an extra wheel for the E46?
Thought he can't vlog one day. And they're hooking your boys up. Everyone go.
Go cop some Conce wheels.
Go cop something from Conce right now.
With the whole freaking sticker pack, goodie bag.
Oh, sure.
Conce race team. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna keep all three, guys. Sorry. What you get?
Keychains, pins.
How far are we from there?
There's so much stuff, bro. Damn, bunch of stickers. Those are sick ass stickers. I actually like the design. That was clean. I might have to wrap the Z this color. All right, we're back finally. Let's unload all this stuff.
5 hours.
Yeah, dude.
Traffic.
You go put this right in my room.
Shout out to my boy Conce. Ooh, shit. Your boy looking good out there with that hat.
She look clean. Here, let me focus. Let me focus. Bro, that shit looks actually so nice. I'm not gonna lie. I think I like them better than the chrome. E46. These are like full chrome. Same style, but those are all chrome. Fully polished. These have the gray face with the polished lip. What?
We're gonna call
What?
it gunmetal. We're gonna call it gunmetal gray. Okay?
10.5 ones too.
Yeah, they're all 10.5.
All around?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
I don't know how we're gonna fit them, bro. But we got 10.5 all around.
Boy.
Usually, I think they said we would rock like a 9.5 up front, but they were out of stock. So we went with the 10.5 up front. Oh yeah, bro. That's gonna be insane. Here, put this on there. Look at that, guys. That's how it's gonna look. Honestly, it might look good with this color.
I'm saying with that color.
It kind of matches the Z color, the face of the wheel, but I love the polished lip. Like, that's my favorite. That is not gonna fit, Jordan.
Yeah, it is.
That is a wide wheel.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to run that tire though.
I was hoping to see if I could run these tires just to save me some money for the meantime, but I don't know. Maybe we have to order some new tires. I'm probably gonna need new studs for the car too, because these studs are all rusted. Look at that. What, 245? In the meantime, if anyone wants these wheels, I guess we're selling them now.
Inkies, RPF 1.
RPF ones? Anyone want the RPF ones? I'll sell them, bro. Obviously, they're Nissan 350Z specs. They fit this car pretty good. I'm not sure if they have spacers or not, but...
No, there's...
No? Even the back? RPF ones. I'm probably going to end up selling them. Or I'll keep them for drift spares, but... Honestly, if anyone wants them, I'll sell them.
that wheel on there.
Me too, bro. I want to see these wheels on there so bad. That shit's going to look so nice, dude. Put it in the rear. Look at that, guys. Oh, the rear is going to look crazy,
That shit is gonna look crazy.
I love the polished lip.
It's gonna be fucking...
Good?
It's gonna be J Money fitment.
Hopefully the fitment's good. We'll see. Anyways, hopefully soon, guys, we'll be able to throw these on as soon as possible. I'm gonna try to throw them on like this week or next week, whatever. But Anyways, we'll see. First and foremost though, we gotta figure out that stupid oil filter situation that we ran into the other day, because the car has no oil right now and the filter is all screwed up, so we also gotta figure that out. Then we can throw the wheels on. But anyways, again, huge shout out to Kansei. These wheels are freaking awesome. Would that look cool? Oh shit, should we keep that on there? It kind of does look kind of cool, huh? I'm not gonna lie,
Red with little
I might
seats,
just keep that on there.
little accent.
I love these wheels. These might be my favorite set though.
Nope.
I think these are my favorite. What are your favorites?
I love chrome, so I gotta go with the all chrome on those.
On those? Or even my other ones that Hugo has right now?
No, I like that style though.
I like this style, but I think I like it better on the Z.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.